the entire thing, the entire journey of Ishq Vishk Rebound, because थोड़ा मसाला दो, कौन कैसा थोड़ा tantrums देता था, थोड़ा कुछ क्या करते थे, थोड़ा
1 second. Why is she looking at me like that?
Shall I
We got the
spill
answer.
beans or not? Well, it's been an actual blast.
No.
No, I'll get to the juicy part soon. So, you know, when we started off, we were doing extensive workshops. So I got to know them on a very personal and vulnerable point, right? Because you kind of open up while जब आप workshops करते हैं तो खुल जाते हो एक दूसरे के साथ, quite literally. So I feel like when we got on set,
Look at them also. They were also on set, you
पर
know.
आपने बड़ा ही जूसी क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया है अभी.
अब रोहित का क्या है ना, वो उनका एक ऑन ऑफ स्विच होता है, तो पता होना पड़ता है कि you know when is he in the right frame of mind and mood to talk and chill, or he is. But I've forgiven you for that. Now during promotions, I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
Pash is an absolute sweetheart because the guys used to gang up on us, so of course we as the girls we have to mil jul ke rehna padta hai.
Right.
And
girls.
yes, and Gibran the
बोलना.
ये एकदम नौटंकी, which is great fun because you need someone to be the life of the party when somebody is off.
Oh my God. She's suddenly making me sound like I was one party pooper and I used to be this moody little bee. But I wasn't. You know? Stop it.
Okay, I'll end on the note of saying that they were all lovely. And
Wow. Wow.
Question is for Rohit. You
Hi, Aruna.
have been paired up with Pashmina in the film, and people are eagerly waiting to see you guys on the screen. So tell us something about your off-screen and on-screen chemistry with Pashmina.
I love that you have already decided I'm paired up against with Pashmina. You don't know that yet, ma'am. There's a lot of things happening in this film which you may or may not get from the teaser. But what I can tell you about on-screen and off-screen equation with Pashmina is that she's crazy. Okay. I've had the most amount of fun shooting with her. It's a little shocking when I think about it and I look back. We've had fights like we're siblings. It is, and I know that my producers right now are going to want to kill me because, when you're promoting a romantic film, that's the last thing you should be saying. But in all honesty, I've had a blast shooting with her. She's so endearing. And I say this off camera and on camera. I cannot wait for people to see what she's done because she's so endearing on screen. She's going to make you fall in love in a second. You think about Pashmina and you're converted. So that was me for her. And I'm just so happy to be doing this with her.